welcome back to the vlogs. Today we're gonna be doing a install. We're gonna be getting a new exhaust for this car. For the longest time, this car has been running the OEM stock TRD Performance Catback. From factory, it sounds really good. It's pretty loud, not too loud to get attention, and you know, kept me out of trouble. I think a year after though, I did decide to do something to the exhaust, but you can't see it because I did a front pipe install. Front pipe that I currently run on this car is a HKS dual res catless front pipe. It adds a little bit more of that deeper, throatier tone, but it isn't like as deep as like having headers on a car. So I'm not really the biggest fan of unequal length headers. I don't like how the Boxer really sounds. It's like, I'm not the biggest fan. But today is a different day. I've turned a new leaf because today I'm installing a damn cannon. Look at this thing. For those who are wondering, this is the ISR GT Catback, something like that. I think 3-inch piping, 4.5-inch tip, single exit exhaust. But yeah, I've always wanted a single exit exhaust for this car because they just look so cool whenever I see it on other 8.6s or pretty much any other like JDM car, and it has a freaking fat cannon at the end. I just think it looks so sick. I'm sure if anyone has ran this exhaust combination with the HKS dual res catless with the ISR single exit, so I'm very excited, curious, and maybe a little bit worried on how it's gonna sound. Depending on how loud this is, I might have to take off the HKS dual res, but we're just gonna throw both of them on and just see how it goes. So yeah, very excited. Tell me on this install, we have none other than the man himself.
What up, chat?
Asher is at the house today. It's been a while since we've actually done an install. Was it the lowers? Yes, you're right, it was the lowers. And then the coilovers.
Yeah.
So literally the last time we were here, we were doing suspension work. Now we're just slapping a little single exit on that John. Guys, the OEM TRD exhaust is out. Compared to the stock catback that goes in like the base model ones, the muffler is a lot smaller, tips are a lot bigger, also has a smaller resonator here. But if you guys could tell, look how much smaller the piping is compared to the ISR single exit. This is also pretty heavy too, so we're gonna be losing some weight. Obviously this isn't titanium, but you know, with it being a single exit setup, you lose the other piping, so yeah. Get that shit. Look at this thing, guys. Full on single exit. I've always wanted a single exit on this car, and it only took me 2 years to do so. But dude, look at it. It's so baller. My guy saved it. We had a little bit of a leak earlier. Pulled up to Home Depot, got the right hardware. Well, not the right hardware, but the ones that work. Yeah. You know, thanks to his expertise, he's done this like how many times? Like plenty of times. Countless many times. Cars. Sounds good. I can't wait to drive it. But yeah, guys, everyone, follow Asher if you guys don't already. I'm surprised if you don't, but go ahead and follow Asher right now. He's the GOAT. Thank you again, bro.
Yeah.
Woo!
All right. See you tonight.
Yeah, I'll see you later. I just started the car up, did a little cold start for y'all, but it's freaking loud. I didn't expect it to be as loud as it is, but my friends weren't lying. Like, it's gonna be freaking loud, but it's sick. Impressions though off last night, there's no drone, it's just a lot louder. I think it's dancing on that fine line where if it was any louder, it would be obnoxious. But the car definitely has more of a presence to it. It's a lot throatier, it's a lot deeper, and it's just more aggressive. Just listen to this. That's only to 3,000 RPMs only. This is cruising right at 2,000. No drone. Yes, you can hear the exhaust, but it isn't that like ear-piercing drone that's like drives you insane if you're driving it over long periods of time. It's really good. Oh, it's so good. It still has its high tones and the higher RPMs. I fucking love it, man. Like, this is... It still burbles. I'm just gonna pump a U-turn into it. Enjoyed all the sound clips. Thank you to my beautiful girlfriend. She's over there. She recorded all the flybys and stuff, so thank you to her. I was gonna do flybys on the street. It's really busy right now, and you know, you got a little empty parking lot here to hear it, but I'm really in love with how this car sounds. It sounds so great. It's pretty loud, but it isn't loud enough to get you in too much trouble. It has a good deep and like exotic tone in a way. Like, it doesn't sound like ricey, like it doesn't sound obnoxious. I feel like I might be the first one with this setup, with the HKS dual res front pipe and the ISR catback. I might be wrong though, there probably has been someone that's done it before, but definitely I'm gonna make more videos of it, especially like on canyon runs and stuff, so you can hear it echo off the walls and shit. But yeah, the car's sick, man. The exhaust pretty much just brought this car to life, and it's like kind of exactly what I've been needing. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.